हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about scope of managerial economics or scope of business economics. As a regard the scope of managerial of business economics, no uniformity of view exists among the various other authors. However, the following aspects said to be generally fall under managerial or business economics. First, demand analysis and forecasting, cost and production analysis, pricing decisions, policy and practices. Next, profit management and capital management. These various aspects are considered to comprise the subject matter of managerial economics or business economics. First, we also the mention the demand analysis and forecasting. A business firms is an economic organization which transforms productive resources into goods to be sold in the markets. A major part of business decision making depend on accurate estimate of demands. A demand forecast can serve as a guide to management for maintaining and strength of market positions and enlarging profits. Demand analysis help identify the various factors influencing the product demands and thus provide guideline for manipulating demands. Demand analysis and forecasting provide the essential basis of business planning and occupies a strategic places in managerial economics. The main topic cover are demand determinants, demand distributions, and demand forecasting. Next, cost and production analysis. A study of economic cost combined with the data drawn from the firm accounting records can yield significant cost estimates, which are useful for management decisions. An element of cost uncertainty exists because all the factors determining cost are not known and control, controllable. Discovering economic cost and the ability to measure them are the necessary steps for the more effective profit planning, cost control, and sound pricing practices. Production analysis is minor in scope than cost analysis. Production analysis frequently proceeds in physical terms, while cost analysis proceeds in monetary terms. The main topic covered under the cost and production analysis are cost concepts and classifications, cost output relationship, economic and diseconomic of a scale, production function, and cost control. Next, scope is pricing, decisions, policy, and practices. Pricing is an important area of managerial or business economics. In fact, prices is the genesis of a firm revenue. As such, its successes largely depend upon how correctly the pricing decisions are taken. The important aspect dealt with underpricing includes price determinations in various market forms, price methods, differential pricing, product line pricing, and price forecasting, etc. Next scope is profit management. Business firms are generally organized for purpose of making profit, and in the long run profit are taken as an important measure of a firm's success. If knowledge about the future were perfect, profit analysis would have been a very easy task. However, in a, in a world of uncertainty, expectations are not always realized, so that profit planning and measurement constitute a difficult area of business economics or managerial economics. The important aspects covered under this area are nature and management of profit and profit policies, techniques of profit planning like break-even analysis. Next scope of managerial or business economics are capital management. Among the various types of business problem, the most complex and troublesome for business managers are those relating to a firm capital investment. Relatively large sums are involved, and problems are so complex that their solution required considerable time and labor. Often, the decisions involving capital management are taken by the top managements. Briefly, capital management implies planning and control of capital expenditure. The main topic dealt with are cost, capital of returns and selections projects. Thank you. In next chapter, in next session, we will discuss about significance of managerial economics.